Do you want to update your ReKYC form via mobile banking? This is how you can do it. Open NKGSB Quick Mobile app on your mobile. Register or log in on Quick Mobile app. After logging in, check if your KYC is due or expired and click on Continue on pop-up and fill the following fields: father's name, mother's name, email ID, permanent address and current address. Now fill FATCA details. Upload any one OVD document. Update your location and take a photo. And click on Submit. Click OK on Thank You message. To ease up your banking requirements, download Quick Mobile app available on Android and iOS.